Hello, friends, and welcome to our channel Nurturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of boysenberry. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos. If at all you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so that we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Boysenberry. Boysenberry is a cross of raspberry, blackberry, and loganberry. It is a perishable fruit which decays in 2 to 3 days. This fruit is every health conscious people's delight and good for people who keep a tab on their calories. Like all the berries, even boysenberry has a right amount of anthocyanins, a natural antioxidant which protects the brain from oxidative damages. It is also having anti-inflammatory and anti-cancerous properties. Benefits of boysenberry. Nourishment for pregnant women. Boysenberry contains folate, which is essential for your metabolic rate and formation of DNA. It is important for expectant mothers as folate is vital for new cell growth and to prevent the defects in fetus on the first few months of conception. You should also see the health benefits and uses of blackcurrant oil. Heart health. Boysenberry is a rich source of dietary fiber and is low-calorie fruit. 1 cup of berries consists of 7 grams of soluble fiber that helps to bring down the cholesterol, reduce the chances of heart stroke. It also has folate that is used to lower homocysteine in the blood. A higher amount of homocysteine increases the likelihood of developing heart-related diseases. Digestive system. The fruit consists of 2 types of fiber, insoluble and soluble. The insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool and manages the smooth functioning of the waste of the system. It prevents constipation and other types of gastrointestinal issues. Immune system. Boysenberry has a high amount of vitamin C, which is very important ingredient for your immunity system. It protects you from all kinds of viral and bacterial infections. Brain health. Boysenberry contains anthocyanins, which are the natural antioxidant. It helps to balance healthy brain cells and prevents it from oxidative damage that can cause Alzheimer's disease. It also enhances your memory power. Diabetes. Boysenberry is an excellent source of fiber that is essential for the healthy body. It regulates the blood sugar levels and lowers the risk of diabetes. It also contains vitamin K, which is helpful in preventing diabetes. Weight loss. The berries contain nutrients and a good amount of dietary fiber, which makes the bowel system clean and smooth. Manage the weight by physalis fruit also. You get satiated feeling for a longer time and feel energetic throughout the day. That makes you do a lot of activity and coaxes you to do exercises. It has other minerals and nutrients that look after overall well-being of the health. Anti-cancer. Boysenberry contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. It fights with cancer-causing cells and inhibits the proliferation of damaged cells. The berries are quite sufficient to prevent esophagus and colon cancer. Osteoporosis. Boysenberry has vitamin K, which is responsible for preventing the osteoarthritis and osteoporosis. It also reduces the chances of arteries getting thickened. Gallstone and kidney stone. Because of its fiber content, Boysenberry efficiently prevents and stops the development of kidney stones and gallstones.
To like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications.